How to fix QR code scanner not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, force stop camera. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera and click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off scan QR code. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Find QR code scanner. After find QR code scanner, turn on or turn off QR code scanner. Now go back. After that, clear cache camera. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app and click on camera. Scroll down, click on storage and cache, and now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, storage will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix QR code scanner not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.